Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. So now we're going to go ahead and chop up the garlic for both the falafel and for the sauce that we're going to put over top of it. So we'll need 5 cloves total, and we've got a couple pieces where the skin is already coming off, so we'll just move those to the side. For the rest, we're going to use the old break it with the back of the knife trick. Okay, and we'll peel it off. I'm having trouble with this one, so I'm just going to pop it one more time and see if that loosens it up. That's a lot better. Just need to put some more muscle into it. Do the same thing with this one. We'll cut off the bottom. And I think 4 is actually going to be plenty for this since these cloves are a little bit bigger, so we'll just stick with 4. Go ahead and cut these a couple times lengthways. And we will run the knife through a couple more times. Not too concerned about the size of these, since they are going to go in the food processor. Okay, and we'll take our knife, we'll scoop it back into a pile so we can run the knife through one more time. And a couple more times through and we should be good. And that looks good.